120 million users. That's how many people have downloaded MetaMask. Ask most of them, did you write down your recovery phrases correctly? Most can't confirm. Hi, I'm Lamia, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to download MetaMask safely, set it up correctly, and avoid the mistake that causes people to lose their crypto permanently. And also what's changed, because MetaMask today is no longer just an Ethereum wallet. It now shows multiple networks in one place, which means it's easier to use, but also easier to misunderstand. Let's get started. MetaMask is a non-custodial wallet. That word non-custodial is what separates it from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. On a centralized exchange, the platform holds your private keys. That means they control your crypto. MetaMask puts those keys in your hands entirely. And here's what most people still don't fully understand. MetaMask is not just a wallet. It's a gateway to DeFi protocols, a gateway to NFT marketplace, a gateway to Web3 applications that operate outside centralized systems. Without a wallet like MetaMask, access to decentralized web simply doesn't exist. There is one place to download MetaMask. One, MetaMask.io. Not a Google ad, not a Telegram link, not a random website. Type it manually. Check every letter. Bookmark it. Because phishing websites today are identical to the real one. Same design, same interface. The only difference? The URL, and that's enough to lose everything. Install the extension. MetaMask supports Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Mobile apps are available on iOS and Android, only through the official stores. Click install, follow the steps, and pin the extension. Open MetaMask. Click create a new wallet. You'll be asked to create a password. This password only unlocks MetaMask on this device. It does not recover your wallet. It does not act as a backup. It is simply a local access key. Choose something strong, store it securely. But this is where most people misunderstand everything. This password is not the recovery mechanism. The recovery mechanism comes next, and this is where permanent losses happen. MetaMask will now generate a secret recovery phrases, 12 words, in a specific order. This is not a backup. This is your wallet. Anyone who has those 12 words has full access to your crypto from anywhere on any device. No password, no verification, nothing. Write it down on a paper in the exact order shown. Store it in a physical, secure location. Not sticky notes, not in your everyday wallet, not in an easy access drawers. Somewhere secure. Or you can get one of those metal seed phrases backup plates or metal recovery wallets. Do not take a photo of it. Do not store it in your phone, and do not type it into a note app. Do not send it anywhere. Not iCloud, not Google Drive, not email, because once it exists digitally, it became vulnerable. Accounts get compromised, devices get hacked, and recovery phrases are often the first thing attackers look for. And remember this clearly, MetaMask will never ask you for your recovery phrases. Never, ever. Not support, not a form, not a message, not anyone. If anyone on anything asks for it, it is a scam. Close it immediately. Confirm your recovery phrases, select the words in the correct order, take your time, cross-check carefully with your written copy, because this is your only checkpoint. Once completed, your wallet is live. Now this is where MetaMask has changed. MetaMask now show your assets across multiple networks in one place. So instead of constantly switching networks manually, this is how we used to do before, they upgraded this. Now you will often see everything in a unified view. And this is where confusion begins. Because even though it looks like everything is connected, it's not. It's just showing you everything in one page. Behind the interface, each blockchain is still separate. Every transaction still happens on a specific network. And this is exactly where beginners make costly mistakes. To receive crypto, copy your wallet address. For Ethereum and most networks inside MetaMask, your address will start with OX. This is your public address. It is safe to share. It is simply the destination for incoming funds. If you are sending crypto from an exchange like Binance, Paste that address carefully, then choose the correct network. For Ethereum-based assets, that is ERC20. But more importantly, the network must match exactly where the asset is being sent from. If you select the wrong network, your funds may not appear in your wallet. In many cases, recovery is possible, but it is complex and confusing for beginners. So the safest approach is simple. Always confirm the network. Always send a small test transaction first. Now, even after setup, 3 mistakes continue to cause losses. First, interacting with unverified smart contracts. Before approving any transaction, verify the contract address. Malicious contracts can drain your wallet with a single approval. And second, storing the recovery phrases digitally. Don't do that. Screenshot, notes, apps, emails, drafts, no. All have been compromised in real cases. Paper only or metal seed phrases backup. Third, using public Wi-Fi when setting up your wallet or making transactions. Always use a private secure connection. MetaMask is the most widely used Web3 wallet for a reason. The system is secure, but only when it is used correctly. And today, it feels easier than ever to use. Cleaner interface, multiple networks in one place, but that convenience can create a false sense of security because underneath nothing has changed. The responsibility is still yours. Your recovery phrases offline, your transaction verified, your network confirmed, not complicated, but completely non-negotiable. If you're using MetaMask, don't make these mistakes and keep safe. Protect your wallet, protect your future. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.